Namaste, dear friends. Do you feel exhausted through the day? Do you feel that you have too much on your plate? Do you feel you have no space, no time for yourself? Have you started feeling that you don't give enough attention to yourself? Well, you're not the only one. Most of us living in urban lives are suffering from this questioning or this wonder, so to say. What's the solution then? Yoga. Well, I'm sure you've heard that yoga is a solution for many things. But the yoga that I'm talking about is not the stretching and pose kind of yoga. Yoga is a complete lifestyle overhaul where we consciously start realigning our whole life, our body, our mind, our breath, the choices that we make, our lifestyle, everything together. We realign towards the goal of peace and happiness. With this exact brief, I, Prasad, I'm a yoga teacher back in India here. I'll be visiting Singapore very soon in April. And we have a beautiful set of workshops lined for you. Workshops that take into consideration not just your body, not just your mind, not just stretching and flexibility, but the whole composite nature of your personality. We have 3 workshops lined up. One is about life, based on the teachings of traditional yoga, that is Bhagavad Gita. And we have 2 other workshops lined up. One deals with how to realign our upper body, and the other one deals with how to realign our lower body. So we will be using the variables of mind, body, breath, and life transformation to create a sense of peace and happiness within, no matter what the circumstances are. So I hope to see you soon in April, and let's have some great amount of fun, and see you soon.